Hello, everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through using useState in React to manage dynamic data within your components. If you're new to React, useState is a crucial hook that allows functional components to maintain and update their own state. Let's get started. Step 1. Importing useState. Open the app.jsx file in your src directory. This is the main component of our application. Import the useState function from React at the top of your app.jsx file. This function is essential for creating and managing state within your components. Step 2. Creating the counter state. Inside your app component, use useState to declare a piece of state to hold your counter's value. For example, initialize a counter starting at 0. Here, count represents the current value of the counter, and setCount is a function provided by useState that allows you to update this state. Step 3. Integrating state into the user interface. Below where you've defined your counter state, display the current value of your counter using text elements such as ptag. Additionally, add a button or another interactive element that, when clicked, will update the counter state dynamically. Step 4. Updating the counter dynamically. Implement an onClick event handler directly on the button to update the counter state. For example, here, setCount increments the count state by 1 whenever the button is clicked, ensuring that the UI updates instantly to reflect the new counter value. Step 5. Interacting with your application. To see your updated component in action, open your terminal and run npm run dev or yarn dev. Once the server is running, open your web browser and navigate to http localhost 5173. You can now directly interact with your React application. Click the button you added in Step 3 to increment the counter and observe how the displayed counter value updates in real time on your web page. That's it. Using useState, you've learned how to create responsive and interactive components in React that manage dynamic data effectively. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. For more beginner-friendly React tutorials, consider subscribing to our channel.